Okay, magandang araw sa lahat. So, ito na naman yung other for release unit natin from Masbate. So, kay Sir Eugene. Sir Eugene, ito na yung alaga mo. And then, kung nakikita nyo pala, so na-build kami ng body kit. Naglagay kami ng max. Then, in-upgrade namin yung headlight to 3-layer headlight from DS17W. So, check natin loob. Itong loob natin is same setup pa rin. May floor matting at saka seat cover. Yan. Normal setup lang. And then, yan. So, yan lang yung talaga ang setup. Wala nang iba sa interior. So, more on standard lahat. So, ang naiba lang is seat cover at saka ceiling wrap. Yan. At saka yung floor matting. So, DS17B upgraded ng DS17W headlight, and then full body kit yung nilagay. Yung uso-uso na, and then naglagay kami ng Android. Yan. At saka dashcam. Yan. Kung nakikita nyo yan, yan yung body kit. Ang usong-uso ngayon. At saka may spoiler din. Yan. Napakaganda. So, simple lang. Setup. Natural beauty ng minivan surplus. So, ito talaga yung minivan. Ang daming magagawa. So, thank you. Maraming salamat.